Ready?
Let's go.
Hello, Derek, my new friend. I've come to study stats again because I had an issue finding T and the normal distribution Z and the equations that were planted in my brain drove me insane with the sound of statistics. In restless dreams I found the mean. Covariance was clearly seen. Neath the alpha data Excel tools, invalidating null hypothesis rules. When my brain was snapped by the flash of an insight,
Let's put this in here.
I did it right.
Bang, you got it.
And touch the sound of statistics. And in the Excel list I saw 10,000 samples, maybe more, equal distributed normally. Or if not, I could use the LT. But the confidence interval was not so clear, and this I fear disturbs the sound of statistics. Fool said I, you do not see